Let's start our ionic equilibria. Next point, it is ionization of water. Okay, now generally we have seen water molecule is dissociated into H plus and OH minus ion, but when more water molecules are present, then it forms H3O plus hydronium ion and OH minus ion, and the ionization of water molecule is very low, or extent of ionization of water molecule is a very small extent, and therefore the equilibrium of ionization of water is represented as H2O plus H2O, that means one water molecule plus another water molecule, it produces H3O plus and OH minus ions in aqueous solution, and therefore the equilibrium constant K for ionization of water is given as K is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of H2O raised to power 2. Okay, don't forget to write down the power of concentration of water molecule, because we have used here one water molecule and this one is another water molecule. So 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. Therefore the concentration of water molecule is 2, and therefore we have to write their power of concentration of water molecule is 2. Okay, and as the dissociation of water molecule, the extent is very low, the number of undissociated water molecules are in major amount, and therefore the concentration of water molecule is considered as a constant, and therefore the equation will become K into concentration of H2O raised to power 2 is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus, and as we have considered here, concentration of H2O raised to power 2 is a constant, and if it is denoted by K dash, then the equation will become K into K dash. Previously we have taken here K as a equilibrium constant, and K dash is a constant for the concentration of water molecule. Therefore the equation will become K into K dash is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus, and therefore Kw, that means the equilibrium constant of water molecule is equal to concentration of H3O plus and concentration of OH minus. Now here we have taken Kw as a constant for the product of K dash, that means equilibrium constant, and K dash, that means the constant for the concentration of water molecule, and the product or K dash is called as ionic product of water. K dash is called as ionic product of water, and ionic product of water, it is denoted by Kw. Therefore the product of molar concentrations of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion. Now here hydronium ion is H3O plus. Hydronium ion is H3O plus ion in equilibrium in pure water at a given temperature is called as ionic product of water. So the definition of ionic product of water is that the product of molar concentrations of hydronium ions and hydroxyl ions at equilibrium in pure water at a given temperature is called as ionic product of water. Okay, see once again the definition of ionic product of water. Definition: the product of molar concentrations of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion at equilibrium in pure water at a given temperature is called as ionic product of water. Now see, in pure water, H3O plus ions, that means hydronium ion concentration is always equal to the concentration of hydroxide ion, and therefore concentration of H3O plus ion and concentration of OH minus is always equals. Thus at 298 Kelvin, now 298 degree Kelvin means it 25 degree Celsius. Okay, that means at 25 degree Celsius the concentration is found to be 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter, and therefore Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 to power minus 7 into 1.0 into 10 to power minus 7. Okay, now 10 to power minus 7 into 10 to power minus 7 means the 10 to power minus 7, 10 to power minus 7 bracket square, or we can say it as a what, 7 into 2 14, and as the 7 having a minus sign, therefore it becomes a Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14, or we can simply consider it as a 10 to power minus 7, 10 to power minus 7 and 10 to power minus 7, it becomes 10 to power minus 14. Okay. Now therefore the ionic product of water Kw is always 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14. Okay. Now based on this, generally we are representing, or the unit for the concentration of any component is generally mole per decimeter cube or mole per liter. Generally we are taking concentration in mole, mole per liter, or mole per decimeter cube. Okay, so representation of concentration, instead of this mole per decimeter cube or mole per liter, we are expressing the concentration of H3O plus ion or hydronium ion in logarithmic scale, and it is called as pH scale. Now we are going to see the next point is pH scale. Now next point is pH scale. What is mean by pH scale? The pH scale is the expression of concentration of H3O plus ion. The expression of concentration of H3O plus ion in logarithmic scale instead of mole per liter or mole per decimeter cube. Okay, so this scale is called as pH scale. In the same way, if we express the concentration of OH minus ion, concentration of OH minus ion in logarithmic scale, it is called as pOH scale. Now we are going to see the pH scale. Okay, see pH scale. Instead of writing the concentration of H3O plus ion in mole per decimeter cube, it is convenient to express in logarithmic scale is known as pH scale, or simply we can write down the definition for the pH scale is the expression of concentration of hydronium ion H3O plus ions in logarithmic scale is known as pH scale, and the formula for the pH scale is, or the proper definition for the pH is, the negative logarithm to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ions in a solution in mole per decimeter cube is known as pH of H plus ion, or we can also say it as a what? pH means potence of, now here we have represented for hydrogen, therefore it is potence of H plus ion. Okay, so the formula for the pH is the negative log to the base 10 is negative log to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ion is known as pH, or we have given here equation form to the definition of pH. Now what is the definition of pH? The pH is negative logarithm to the base 10 of the concentration of H plus ions in a solution in mole per decimeter cube. Okay, in the same way we have to write down the definition for POH. Only change is that instead of writing H plus ion we have to mention there hydroxide ion. So the definition for POH is the negative logarithm to the base 10 of the concentration of OH minus ion in a solution in mole per decimeter cube is known as POH. Now here P means potence and OH means the potence of hydroxide ion. Therefore POH is nothing but the potence of hydroxide ion. Now the equation form of this definition is POH is equal to negative log to the base 10 of concentration of OH minus ion. Now see the next one, the relation between pH and POH. The relation between pH and POH. Now see, we previously we have seen Kw, that means the ionic product of water is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus. Kw is the ionic product of water. Now here H3O plus, concentration of H3O plus means the concentration of hydronium ion into concentration of OH minus ion, and we have seen at 25 degree Celsius or at 298 degree Kelvin ionic product of water, or Kw, is equal to 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14. Okay, so we have to put the value in equation. Now therefore the concentration of hydronium ion into concentration of OH minus ion is equal to 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14. Now take the log of both sides by taking a logarithm of both sides. Therefore log of concentration of hydronium ion plus log of concentration of OH minus ion. Now here we have given multiple sign or multiplication sign in between the concentration of here is the multiplication sign, therefore we are taking here a summation of log. Therefore log of hydronium ion plus log of OH minus ion is equal to log of 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14. Now see, by taking a log of this term we will get the answer minus 14. Okay, or simply you can take, if here no any number, then whatever may be the log of 10 to power, that power will become a log of that particular figure. Okay, so therefore log of hydronium ion plus log of OH minus ion is equal to minus 14. Therefore we are going to change the sign of this 14. Therefore minus log of hydronium ion plus minus log of hydroxide ion is equal to 14. Now here negative log of hydronium ion, now here positive negative, it become a negative, therefore minus log of H3O plus minus log of OH minus is equal to 14. Okay, and we have seen definition for the pH is equal to negative log to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ion. So put this here. So put the value of negative log of concentration of hydronium ion is pH, and in the same way the negative log of concentration of OH minus ion is the pOH, and therefore the equation will become pH plus pOH is equal to 14. We get equation here pH plus pOH is equal to 14. See once again what we have taken. First we have taken equation previously we have prepared for the ionic product of water. Ionic product of water is denoted by Kw, and the equation is Kw is equal to concentration of H3O plus ion into concentration of OH minus ion. Okay, at 25 degree Celsius or at 298 degree Kelvin, ionic product of water is equal to 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14, and therefore we have taken Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14. So equation is concentration of hydronium ion into concentration of OH minus ion is equal to 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14. Taking a logarithm of both sides. Now we have taken a log of both sides. Then equation became log of H3O plus ion plus log of OH minus ion is equal to log of this term 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14. So it became log of H3O plus log of OH minus is equal to minus 14. Minus 14, it is the log of 1.0 into 10 to power minus 14. Therefore equation is minus log of concentration of hydronium ion minus log of concentration of hydroxide ion is equal to 40. Therefore minus log of concentration of hydronium ion minus log of hydroxide ion is equal to 14. Therefore pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Okay, we have to use this equation to solve the numericals. Therefore remember this equation as well as the definition of pH and pOH as well as the ionization of water. Okay, so from these points, these are the important terms regarding exam point of view. So prepare it properly, and thank you.